Hello and welcome. This is Ali Nasser. Today I will show how to convert your assembly sheet metal to DXF file. Your DXF file will be flattened configure. Let's show how to do this. At the beginning, here is our design. I have assembly and some parts of assembly. Open your assembly like that. Make sure everybody in or every part in your assembly has flatten configure like this. And then we going to tools and look forward macro, select run and use your macro. Here is my macro. Just wait seconds to convert every or each part to be flattened DXF. If you wish to download this macro, just put your email in comment and I will send the link of macro via Google Drive. He needs some moments or seconds to complete all the DXF file. After finished, we will get a message to show operations complete. Still working. Just wait. And here operation completed. We going to again our folder and we have a new folder DXF. If we check it, let's open that. We have the DXF file or flatten configure for the part. Let's try another file here and this flatten. All parts will be flattened as we see. Good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I hope this video is useful for you. My regards, Ali Nasser.